Okay, it's everybody's favorite topic, multiplication. Super excited to walk through this here. We're going to talk through an algorithm that you learned in fourth grade with partial product. And later in the year, actually in about a month from now, we're going to be learning how to do the standard algorithm which your parents know. So parents, if you're watching this video, the method that you learned as a kid is exactly the method that I will teach in a couple weeks here. So let's do these couple problems. Now we see what each number represents. The 4 represents just 4 and 5 represents 5. So 5 times 4 is 20. So I'm going to write 20 below. This is partial product, remember. Now next up we have the 1. What does the 1 actually mean? Not 1, but it represents 10. So 10 times 5 is 50. I'm going to add a 50 below. And we have 5 times 7, but 7 represents 700. So if I know 7 times 5 is 35, 5 times 700 has to be 3,500. Oh, I should switch over to my writing utensil. I'm going to add them up. See how neatly they are all lined up together? Make sure yours are the same way on your paper. So we have 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 5 is 7. 5 and 3, 3,570. Does this seem like a reasonable answer? It does. Think to yourself, what would be an unreasonable answer? 900, 500, something like that. We expected this to be a couple thousand. Let's do the next problem. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 9, but 9 represents 90. That's right, you caught it. 90 times 3 is 270. Let me show you with my highlighter where I got that. 9 represents 90 times 3. 3 times 9 is 27. Add the 0 for the 90 is 270. And lastly, 3 times, not 3, 300 is 900. They're all lined up nicely. I do my addition sign. Don't forget the sign. That's a big thing that kids forget and make a lot of mistakes. I add up each column. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 7 plus 0 is 8. And 2 plus 9 is 11. So 1,182. I hope this helps.